Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're opening Speechnotes and diving straight into dictation. Grant microphone access. Once done, pick your language and any punctuation shortcuts you want. Make sure background noise is low and position the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. Tap the red microphone button to start, then speak in short phrases so the app captures punctuation and context. If you need capitalization or symbols, say them naturally. The app converts most commands. Keep your pace steady and pause briefly between sentences for better accuracy. Once you have raw text, switch into edit mode and review it quickly. Tap any word to correct or hold and drag to select multiple words. Use the keyboard for precise edits. Make formatting changes, add paragraphs, commas, or symbols, because clean structure helps later export. Then enable autosave and connect your Google Drive for backups. That prevents loss. If you rely on repeated phrases, create custom shortcuts in settings. These steps speed up post-dictation cleanup and prepare your note for sharing or export. Finish by exporting or sharing your finalized note. Choose text, PDF, or copy to clipboard and send via email or messaging apps. If the transcription has errors, correct them manually or redictate the specific sentence. Select that line and tap mic to append a replacement. If accuracy problems persist, check microphone permissions, confirm the chosen language matches your speech, and reduce background noise. Sometimes toggling the mic source in settings fixes issues. One troubleshooting tip: restart the app after changing permissions to apply settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.